Hello everyone, my name is Ubuntu and today we're going to create a new user and add that user to sudoers so that the user can use the sudo command. This is using Ubuntu 22.04, but it should work on most Linux distributions. I'm using a brand new server with nothing extra installed, and I'm doing this as a root user. If you have a regular user account, you may need to prepend all commands with sudo for this to work. The first thing you need to do is type add user and then the name of the user you want to add. In my case, this user is going to be called Ubuntu. Next, you'll be prompted for a password. You can use anything as a password, but I recommend something long. No text will show as you type in the password. Once you retype the password, you will be prompted for user information. Filling this in is completely optional. I will enter Ubuntu as my name and skip the rest by hitting enter. Once that is done, you'll be prompted to confirm that the information is correct. Just type Y and press enter. And now your user is created, but we need to add the user to the sudo group. To do this, type usermod -a capital G sudo and then the username. And then we can type ID and the username to check that our user is in the sudo group. Finally, we can type su and the username to switch to our new user that we just created. And that's all you need to do to create a user with permission to use sudo.